Hey Cassandra, hey Will. I spoke with Cassandra on Friday. My name is Jackie Otwell, and I own a digital marketing agency locally here in Corpus Christi. I specialize in SEO optimization, bringing your rank up in Google to essentially increase your traffic flow online and bring you more business. First thing I did is I went ahead and I Googled roofing companies Corpus Christi to see where you were ranked. This section up here is generally ads. You can see it says sponsored, it says ads. I saw somewhere that you were running a Google ad. Google ads are actually the most expensive way for marketing. Of course, they're great. Some people do have a bias as to not wanting to click on anything that says ad. It's mainly a personal preference, but Google ads are a great marketing source. This right here is called the organic section. So once you pass the ads, once you pass the Google business, the MapQuest, you basically start seeing the organic section. The first one ranked is a BBB link, so that's a directory link, as well as Yelp is a directory link. If you're not in there, we would basically put you in there. Those are a great source of bringing in backlinks, etc. I'll explain that more later. So the first competitor that is listed in the organic section is Phillips Roofing. So I went ahead, and this is who I'll be comparing your site to. I believe that your website is on the third page listed in Google. Yep, right here. And I do believe that there's a lot we can do. We can most definitely improve your SEO optimization. We can most definitely improve your rank in Google and start bringing you in more leads and generating more business for you. So the first, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cover 3 free topics for you. Tips that you can incorporate yourself into your website. You can get with me if you have any more questions, etc. So first topic I'm going to cover is content. So if I go to your website, content is anything on your homepage. So any verbiage, any words, etc. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab all of your content and I'm going to put it in my word counter. This puts your content at 731 words. Google actually recommends 1,000 to 2,000 words of content for your homepage. Why? This is all verbiage that can be including your local keywords that are buyer intent keywords, which are bringing you in more business, more profit, more leads, etc. So I do feel like we could add at least another 1,000 words of content to your homepage. So that leads me to my second topic, which are the keywords I mentioned. What I did is I went ahead and I put your website into Ahrefs, which is basically a site auditor that I use. And I went ahead and put Phillips, which was the number 1, into a site auditor that I used. So right away, you can see that we have 175 organic keywords. For your Corpus location, this is generally less because I did notice that your site refers to 3 different locations. Of course, this applies to all 3 of them. I'm going to focus more so on Corpus just because that's the local market for me. So anything that says roofing Corpus Christi, Texas, Corpus Christi, I did see that there's quite a bunch of those. Things that don't have a location attached, emergency roofer, for example, Roofs Plus, let's see, GAF military rebate, anything that does not, Roofs for Troops, anything that doesn't have a location attached, those are nationwide keywords. What this means is someone in Oregon could search for emergency roofer and your site's going to come up. Are they going to use you? More than likely not, because they're in Oregon, but hey, you never know. What we want to do though is we want to add local cities to those keywords because we want to bring you buyer intent clicks. So we want people to only go to your website if their intention is to use you. So that being said, with all these saying Corpus Christi, I do feel like we could add in a bunch of the surrounding towns to increase that traffic. We could add in Portland, we could add in Rockport, we could add in Port Aransas, South Texas, Aransas Pass, Ingleside, Odom, Sinton. There's so many smaller towns that we could add in to pull your traffic into the Corpus Christi location. And Phillips Roofing has about 162. But these are all focused on Corpus Christi. Roof hail damage is a nationwide keyword. Painting Corpus Christi, I guess they offer more than roofing. However, they also only really have Corpus Christi, so I feel like we could just be generating a lot more traffic. The next thing that I am going to look at is backlinks. So backlinks are any referring domains that have your website URL somehow linked into them. This could be someone commenting on a blog, so the blog would be the referring domain, and your backlink is in a comment. They're very important, and they're not all created equal. So you can have someone that has 500 backlinks and you can have 3, but you could have more traffic than they do. This is because some people, a random blog on the internet probably isn't as important as a roofing website, etc. So what we would do is, if you look, your competition has 344 backlinks and we have 130. So the way that we beat them is we go and we copy all of their backlinks and we add you to all of those. So we add you to these yellow pages, expertise, Yahoo, etc. We go and add you to all of those, but that just puts us on a level playing field, which is not what we want to do. We want to get on a level playing field, and then each month we are going to continue adding more and more and more backlinks, and powerful backlinks, to completely blow them out of the water and bring your rank up on Google, get you more business. So yeah, this is basically, I just wanted to offer you some free tips, give you a little back info on your website, a little auditor, and see ways that we can improve and increase your business. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I will put my number in the email. And yeah, feel free to incorporate these yourselves, etc. And these will hopefully bring you more business. I look forward to hearing from you soon. So thank you.